Transform leftover turkey roast into a rich and comforting meal with my Turkey Alfredo Lasagna Rollups. Preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit and cook your lasagna noodles in a large pot of boiling water. For the filling, combine in a large bowl the ricotta cheese, onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, and salt, some frozen green peas, and grated mozzarella cheese. Add in a couple eggs, and then stir everything together until well combined. Lay down a clean dish towel on your counter, and then place your cooked lasagna noodles on top of the tea towel. This will help to soak up any extra water that may be coming from the noodles. Take a third of a cup of the ricotta filling and spread it on the noodle, leaving about a couple inches of noodle exposed. Then place your turkey on top of the ricotta filling. Once you've got them all loaded up, you can start rolling them up gently, making sure that the filling doesn't seep out the sides. Once they're all nicely rolled up, place them on your prepared 9x13 baking dish, making sure they're nice and snug so that they don't fall apart while baking. Pour your Alfredo sauce on top of the roll-ups, and then sprinkle the rest of the grated mozzarella cheese on top. Into the preheated 400-degree oven it goes for 35 minutes until nice and golden, and find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.